Sleep Apnea and Snoring Solutions, Springfield, Massachusetts. New reports indicate a disruption of sleep can be vital to your overall health. If you're suffering from sleep apnea or have issues with snoring, please call Dr. David Peck for Sleep Apnea and Snoring Solutions in Springfield, Massachusetts. We can provide assistance with diagnosis, treatment modalities, and appliance remedies. Sleep is vital to your overall mental and physical health, and we can help. Please call Dr. David Peck at 413-241-3263. Sleep Apnea and Snoring Solutions, Springfield, Massachusetts.